Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and today I am joining hashtag 2crafters1design, who's Melissa, who's Mo Creations, Lisa, who's You See I'm a Diva, and Gloria, who's Girlier's Cards, all here on YouTube. I'm also joining hashtag Sadmore Makes, that's Jill. She's Jillian Norwood Design Greenwood Girl Cards here on YouTube. With hashtag Sadmore Makes, Jill wants you to create designs all week and then share your designs on Saturday morning. With hashtag 2crafters1design, they give you a theme each week and they want you to create something using that theme or prompt, or whatever you want to call it, and then share those designs on Saturday morning. So their theme this week was white with a splash of color. So let me share with you what I used to create the cards that I'm going to show you. I used this Altenew wallpaper art stamp set. This has been a favorite of mine for many years. I've had it and used it on tons of cards, and I have really enjoyed it. It always stamps beautifully. I have the die set, which cuts out the steps beautifully. However, I think this will be the last card I use with this stamp set. I'm gonna retire it. I've used it quite a bit, and I think I kind of like go to it when I can't think of anything or what to use, and I always know this stamps out beautifully. So this has been an awesome stamp and die set. So let me share my card with you. So with white and a splash of color, my splash of color is black. Super simple, right? But I wanted to make a sympathy card. So here's the card, and with the florals that I cut out, I use paper from my stash, which is basil paper, and I use this really sweet sentiment that either came from Simon Says stamp, maybe waffle flower. I know they both have the pre-made sentiments that you can just pop out of the holder and use. One of the things that I really like about this card is that I stamped the flowers on textured cardstock, and I had to stamp them like 2 or 3 or 4 times even, just to make sure I got a pretty good full coverage. But I like the way it looks. It kind of gives it a maybe a antique or old school look. But here's my card. Let me know what you think below. Thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, you may want to consider subscribing. I appreciate it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and thank you to my current subscribers who are so supportive. Let me know what you think below, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.